So let's continue with a find command. So now we have search here. So now we have learned about a empty also. So let's come on the this permission part. I will take it later because you right now you are not aware about a octal values. So once I will let you know the octal values will, but just here this 644, the meaning I will let you know. The next lectures will coming for a related to file and permission. We learn there. Now let's come on the size part here. So plus n and this is a size. So now let's say I want to search here. So plus n means is equal to, suppose if I want to search file more than 10 MB, more than 10 MB. Okay, I will mention M here. Minus n if I want to search less than 10 MB, less than 10 MB, and n I want to search exact size 10 MB, exact size. So this is the next arguments we will learn here. So let me produce some examples. So now I'm using a find slash root, and I want to search with a size here. So I'm not giving any file name, nothing. Okay, so just I'm giving here size. And let's say I want to search more than 60 MB file. Okay, more than 60 MB. Let's see the result. And let me use the XARGS. So I can see the size here. So right now, let me show here. Okay, later I will do a manipulation. Okay, now, so these two files are more than 60 MB. Is it correct or not? Let me use the XARGS and du-hs and enter. Now I can see the size is 62 MB. And if I execute with the execute arguments and the du-hs and two curly braces and here. So now the same things, the output is same here. Now I want to search less than 60 MB. So now number of files came in a pictures. I want to search exact size 60 MB. I have only one files, that is exact size 60 MB only. So like that you can search. So now if you want to, same things came in a pictures here. Let me take arguments, a time arguments. Okay, access files. So it will show access files. So it will show in a days, modified in days. See, changed, access file modified and changed. Okay, it's for your file or directories, when your file was last accessed, or when your file was last modified, or when your file was last changed. So same meaning here. Plus n means same as like ours. So let's say I mention here plus 10. Plus 10 means more than 10 days. More than 10 days. Okay. Either I'm using a time, m time, and c time. If I'm using a minus 10, it means less than 10 days. Less than 10 days. If I'm using a 10, exact 10 days. 10 days. That is the meaning. Same as like here. Okay, so let me produce some examples. Okay, I have anything stop the recording. No, recording. Okay, it's going on. Okay, so let me show the lab here. Let me show. So now, so let me use a find, and I'm using a slash temp, and I'm using a here. Let's say any arguments you can use here, a time or m time, access time, yeah, modified time. Let me use a hyphen m time here. Okay, so I'm using a here, and let me take a plus 2 days, more than 2 days. Okay, more than 2 days. Okay, it will return me the result only more than. So more than 2 days, these file are accessed. Okay, so State is a command. Let's say now I can see state a command. Now you can see, is it really accessed more than 2 days here? So I used a modi, right? I hyphen m. So here, this is a modification time. This is the access time. This is a change. So if you want, you can check using a state. State is the command. So when your file was accessed, when your file was modified, when your file was changed. So these things you will get here. And if you let me increase the days here, and let me give the 20 days. No, 20, I did not get any value more than 5 days. So these 2 to 4 files modified here. And if you want to see exact, so exact, it will show here. Now you can see state here. And if you want to verify more, you can see here, modified 16. So today is 21, and you can see 2021 here. And others files, if you want to, just want to cross check it, let's cross check it. So here it is came as a 940. So here you will get exact day, 5 days back, exact days. Okay, it's not a less than, exact day. If you want to see less than, then use a -5. Now less than 5 days. Now let's learn a -m minute. So here same story is here again. -n mean, suppose I have given a -n. Let's say I have given a -10. It means less than 10 minutes. Less than 10 minutes. Okay. And if you want to give n, so exact, suppose I have given a 10, so exact 10 minute. And if I give a plus n, it means plus 10, it means more than 10 minutes. So this is a story here. So now let me show a lab here. Now find, and same things here. Now instead of a m, so I can use a m minute here. So this is my argument here. This is m minute. And let me use a plus 10 minute. Okay, so you can see this is a, it will show plus 10, and exact -10, you will see nothing is less than 10 minutes. And let me create a one file here, touch, and file 1. Now you can see it came file 1. Okay, less than 10 minutes. Okay, so anything else I have created here. Now right now I have created just, and if I keep as a less than -1, so it will show -1 minute. And if I make a +1, so you will see a lot of result, and exact 1 minute. So now it will show, I think I hope 1 minute is not completed yet. Once it is completed, -1, it's still showing. Okay, so these are the examples of minute here. And if you want to see with the users, so you can use a user, and let me give a username, and let me give any user slash users files or directories. So you can use a EC2 user. So you will find out all the files or directory that is using by this user. So like that you can check it. Okay, so now let's come on the max depth level here. That is a more important. So here, so it's the same story as like we learned in a level in a tree command. The same similar arguments is using there. So let me show you the here example. Find, and let me search here /temp, and test hyphen name. Okay, so better example is let me use a slash here, and hyphen name. Let me use a password command here. So now you can see lot number of results are coming here. Now let's use a max depth here. I'm using a max depth here. Okay, so up to first level as like a tree command. Now let's, now nothing is there. First level, it will not find out. Let's use a second level. Second level, I'm able to find password /etc under /password, same as like tree space -l space 2, same as like the story. And now third level, you will find out that the third level now it's increased. And if you want to go fourth level, okay, fourth level, but sorry, fifth level I did it here, but I want to check only let's say directories, so directory will be less here. So now, so you will get this directory, and I can use let me use this time xargs ls-ld. Okay, now you can see there's a fifth level here. And if I came fourth level, so now you can see this is a fourth level. You can see